How to increase phone volume without apps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to increase your phone volume without apps. If your phone sounds too low, you don't need any extra apps. Here's how you can boost your volume. First, check your media volume. Press the volume button and tap on the three dots. Here you can find volumes for different options. Just make sure that your media volume is turned up all the way. Then you can enable loudness or extra volume if available. Some phones give you the sound equalizer to customize your volume. Go to settings and then go to sounds and vibration. Then from here go to sound quality and effects. And here you can find your equalizer. Tap on it. You can easily increase your equalizer. You also have some already pre-made equalizers that you can use. You have balanced, bass boost, smooth, dynamic, clear, and then treble boost. Just go ahead and select the ones that you like. And then from there, you can also turn on the loudness normalization. It prevents sounds from suddenly becoming too loud or too quiet while playing your media. And once you've done that, you should be good to go. You also have this option for adapt sound, which you can turn on as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.